Yo, what's up, guys? 欢迎来到加拿大留学日常，我是龙哥。今天是龙哥的 quarantine 的最后一天，一直想要跟大家介绍一下我的房间，但是拖到最后一天，我就是拖延症。反正呢，今天的 room tour， 我想说介绍我的房间，但是比较特别的是，我想要用全英文的方式介绍。那 we'll see how it goes。到最后这部片结尾，我会再跟大家解释一下为什么我想要用全英文介绍我的房间。Okay, so let's go. So before my room tour, I'm gonna share with you guys the views. Yeah. So I feel like I can't really say a complete sentence. So we'll see, we'll try, and maybe we'll be like a little bit Mandarin within my sentence. So forgive me. Okay, so before we enter my room, there are four paintings here. I don't know where my my parents get it, but like it's just here, probably IKEA or something. So let's go. Yay! You go. So this is my kitten. You go. How you doing? 地板有点脏啊，因为它的猫砂会扫得满地。First of all, we have what this called? Cat tree or something? I'm not sure. Comment below if you know the English of it. Oh, this is my t-shirt. Sorry, it's a little bit mess, and please forgive me. So this section is like, when I attend a very important activity or something, I wear suits. So these are my suits and the clothing, which is important. For example, MJ116. So MJ Fresh was, they held an event in Vancouver and I bought it from. So these are the signatures here. Yeah, it's a little bit, can't really see it. For example, here, Muta, and I think this is Kanzi. And this is so, I believe. I'm not sure. Here, these are my socks. I usually don't wear it because you can identify it. So sorry for the mess. And let's go. Because I'm a cat person, as you guys know, right? I usually wear a cap. And yeah. Like this. There's a little bit like all the fur here, like cat fur. Yes, we're back. Sorry for the mess. No voice. Okay, and this, yeah. Okay, so this is my closet. Now, my bed. What do I have here? A messy bed and my Switch, right? So, I play Animal something Crossing. I don't know what's the English name, but don't say it way. Right here, these are, okay, it's a mess here, and these are my collection. Okay. Oh my god. Another section for my hat or caps, and these for Jaeger's section and some books. Okay. Yeah, so let's make this video short. So I got another messy bathroom. Let's have a quick peek. Okay, so this is my room, and it's a short and simple clip because my room is small, probably. Yes, 也没有什么太多好介绍的. So I'm still speaking English because I want to, talk English to you guys. Some of you guys are asking for it, for like more English or something. Well, for this video, I just want to test it, see how you guys feel, right? How you guys feeling about me speaking in English. And probably my quarantine time, I do not really use a lot of English. I listen more. I watch Netflix, a couple of, American TV shows, and yeah. 好，我就不演了。其实就是想要用英文说说看，然后因为很多人都在敲碗嘛，那其实我就是个工具人，你们说什么我只能做什么，也没有啊，就是觉得说，看一下大家的反应怎么样，好不好？那我的英文先声明啊，我没有要 showing off or something。 我只是想要一来练习，二来 I want to see that you guys 有没有就是觉得说这种模式就是可以听到很多英文的一个模式，喜欢吗？因为在隔离的时候，我有在思考说，既然现在都已经回台湾，因为之后可能要帮忙家里工作，那么我的英文会不会忘记？我爸妈常常在问我的，就花了这么多钱，你的英文会不会因为环境的问题忘记，对吧？那所以我想说，如果说有一个时间可以大家 hang out 一下，然后大家来 All English 或者是 Mandarin Free 的一个环境空间，那可能是一个时段，可能是一天 whatever， we'll see how you guys feel。Right， 你们觉得说，不错，那我想要怎么样的一个形式 ？Right，we can make it happen。所以我想说，这支影片就是一个 demo， 有点像是说，告诉你们说，我有这个想法，然后我先示范一下怎么用英文介绍我的房间。我还是要强调，我真的想要跟你们说，就是我的英文真的没有很好，只是装的比较像。然后如果大家喜欢的话，我可以教一下，就是怎么样可以假装自己是 ABC 或 CBC， 但是 I'm not Canadian born Chinese or I'm not American born Chinese，I'm just Taiwanese， 对不对？那么之后如果大家喜欢这集的分享，就记得订阅、分享嘛，按赞、开启小铃铛。那么后续我们的活动内容呢，我跟艾弟在讨论之后，我们如果有这种活动是 English Free，no not English Free，English Only 或者是 Mandarin Free 的活动，如果想要来参加的话，记得要关注我们的 Line 的官方账号。那我们之后后续会有 PO 在上面，然后你们就记得点开来看一下。然后呢，会有一个表单，大家填一下自己的意愿什么之类的。那么就是这样 ，I guess feel。真的没有要装逼。If you like my video, please comment below and make sure you like it and subscribe it. I think we will see you next time. Peace.